Hi, my name is Desiree and this is my week 1 reflection video for PME 3. What we're talking about this week is web-based mobile applications and native applications. The difference between the two, and I'll give you 2 examples to make my explanation a lot easier, less boring. Um, um, Basically, a mobile or web-based mobile application, it would be Facebook. Facebook, you can access it through the internet on your desktop, and you can also access the app through iPhone, iPad, those uh, mobile devices that you use. Instagram. Instagram is an app that you can only access through your devices, which is a native app. I do believe that they started something like Webstagram or something like that. So, there might be an update or something may have changed. But to my knowledge, that's a native app. What I learned about the mobile-based is it's a lot better to have that if you're trying to reach out to a huge market and really trying to push your web page or whatever you're trying to do. If you're trying to advertise something or your business. I read an article back in AO1C, and basically it was a man who he was on the topic of how a lot of small businesses or businesses in general don't think it's relevant to have an app, a mobile app. They just rather, the market that they're reaching out to just come to their site and, search for jobs there or search for their product there. But what they're missing out on is, I think, in fact, they said it was about 30% of people that don't even touch a desktop. They're constantly on their mobile devices. And I think the topic was everything's going mobile, which is very true. And the reason why I got into this degree in the first place, everything is going mobile, and a lot of businesses need to take advantage of that. There's a lot of developers out there. That's what I'm trying to do, and that's probably one thing that I am going to do once I graduate is try to reach out to that market, those people that are missing out on that 30%. Hey, I know how to develop. I think that your business, will do well with a mobile app, because same goes for, some of these apps, some of the native apps. Some of them I think should have websites, but then again, some I don't think really need websites. Some of them are better off just as native apps. For example, Instagram. I like the fact that it just really is a native app and you can't really access it through the web. Just because it's I don't know. It's just not. It's like fun to me. I don't know. I guess just to be able to have that app and not have to be like on the internet and people searching, your business on the internet. Like, you really have to have that app in order to see what's going on there. But overall, that's what I've learned about the two. Let me see what the last question is. Do I have any examples? Again, the examples I gave, Facebook. Also, another example would be Google. Is a web-based mobile application. You can access, obviously, Google through your computer, and then you can access Google. They also have their app. And I use Google a lot. So when I'm out and about, that's like my favorite app, one of my favorites, because I'm always looking for something or trying to look up something, and I need it right there and then. So it's in either palm of my hand, or when I'm at home, it's on my desktop. So overall, I think that mobile web-based applications are really relevant. These businesses really need to take advantage of it, like I said before, and I'm trying to get into that market and help those people. So I'm trying to do well, trying to figure out everything and learning what I'm learning, because it's going to really benefit me in the future. But that's it for week 1 discussion, and I will see you guys next week.